snake, bay them cry. Of rano yedem pa. Nansado no de kande. Nami ye wadum. Na shema be sinte. You let and dan. You can see how the donut is so soft and it has a smooth texture. Yeah, the taste is so great. So now I will spread the top. I will sprinkle powdered sugar on top. But if you are in the house, you can eat with anything. If you have chocolate, you can eat with it. If you have a peanut spread, you can also use. But me, I'm sprinkling the top with a little sugar because we don't want too much sugar. Yeah, you see things that is happening around it. If you focus on it too much, you will give up. A lot is happening in life, and you focus on what is happening, you will always give up in life. Anything that you love so much to do, never think of giving up. Never think of giving that thing up. You keep on doing it. Even if you get it wrong, keep doing it and you will make it. Makuma precision me out. Meaning them papa. See. Yamin bringing berry papa. Oh, it's all about Pidanoka doing. I'm doing pizza. Hey, I said I'm doing pizza because of this. I'm doing donuts. When I saw the round, I said I'm doing pizza. Menya sorana pai. It's to make it come away. Such Menya sorana pai. It's to make it come away. Such Na shema besinte. You let under and dan. Ni humo pro. Yedi mi abedu ande. Bidana waka donut. Bidana waka donut. I'm spreading it with sugar. Anything you want to eat with, you are free to go. You are free to use to eat. Some like with honey. Some too will eat it raw. I don't want to add more sugar because the one I'm giving it to, they don't eat sugar. Yeah, but the dough, it doesn't contain more sugar, but still. This is potatoes here. This is my prickle cucumber. This is chicken. I'm adding lettuce. This is prickle pepper.